Hello students, Sairam. Today we will revise chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. And this I have told you last time in the previous presentation. Let me repeat again. You will have 40 marks for your semester exam and timing of the exam will be 2 hours, and these are the types of questions for mathematics. Choose the correct option, fill in the blanks, true or false. Diagram based questions also you will be asked, and then solve the following, and you will get box type questions or you will be given blank there which you have to fill. All the questions will be MCQ type where options will be given. You will have to solve the questions on a paper because there will be some solving questions which you have to solve on a paper and select the right option. You may get questions from outside the book also, so you have to understand the concept and you have to click on the right option. Now let us do some revision questions based on the pattern and the type of question which we have discussed in the previous presentation. Even today we will follow that. Question number 1, click against the correct option after reading the given question. This is one question, MCQ type. The side of an equilateral triangle is half centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is, now these are the options given, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3/2 centimeter, and the last option is none of this. So you will have to select one of the option. So here you have to first understand the question, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all the sides are equal and one side is given half centimeter. So what you will do? You will have to multiply half by 3. You can add also 3 times. You can write half plus half plus half, or you can multiply half by 3. So half into 3 will be 3/2. So answer is 3/2 centimeter. So you will click this option. You will select this option, that is C option. Now next question, 1 minus 1/5 is equal to, now these are the options given, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 1/5. So you have done this kind of questions. So what you will do, 1 you can take it as 5/5 minus 1/5, and then now you can see both the denominators are same. So LCM will be 5 only, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, 4/5. So here you have to see which option has 4/5, that is C. So you will select this option. So answer is C. Now next question, which of the following is an equivalent fraction of 2/3? 4/9, 6/13, 8/11, 10/15. So this is very simple. Equivalent fraction you have learnt last year also. So just you have to see which one is equivalent to this fraction. So this one is 2/3 is equivalent to 10/15 because 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So D option is the correct answer. Next one, MCQ type, 3/7 of 2/5 is equal to, now these are the options given, 5/12, 5/35, 1/35, and D option is 6/35. So you have already learned that of means what you have to do, you have to multiply. So 3/7 multiplied by 2/5 will multiply 3 2s are 6, and then 7 5s are 35. So 6/35 is which option? D. So we will be selecting this option. This is the correct answer. Now next question, 2/5 of 5 1/5 is equal to, these are the options given, 26/25, then B is 52/25, C is 2/5, and D is 6. So as you have learned, whenever you get mixed fraction, first you have to convert it into improper fraction. So that is done here. 5 1/5, 5 5s are 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1 is 26, and denominator will be same, that is 5. So 26/5. And now this fraction, this improper fraction, we have to multiply with this number. this fraction 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 into this 26 upon 5. Now 26 2s are 52 and then 5 5s are 25. You cannot, if you have to see whether you can reduce or not. 52 upon 25 we cannot reduce. So you have to see which option has this answer. 52 upon 25, it is this. So we will select B option. Now next type of question will be state true or false. The reciprocal of a proper fraction is a proper fraction, true or false. So you can think of a proper fraction in your mind and you just find out the reciprocal of this fraction. Suppose if I take 3 upon 5. So if I find out the reciprocal, it will be 5 upon 3. So what we will get? We will not get a proper fraction. We will get an improper fraction. So answer is false. Now next one, to multiply a decimal number by 1000, we move the decimal point in the number to the right by 3 places. So this also I have taught you. Whenever we multiply by 10, 100 or 1000, decimal point moves to the right side. By here, as there are 3 0, 1000 has 3 0, so it will move to the right by how many places? 3 places. So this statement is correct, it is true, so we will select true option. Similarly, now next question, third one, another true or false. 1 is only number which is its own reciprocal. So we know reciprocal of 1 is 1 only, because 1 can be written as 1 upon 1 and the reciprocal of 1 is again 1. So this statement is again true. So we'll select A option. Now next question, filling the blanks. 2.001 divided by 0.003. So these are the options given. You have to select the right option. So before that, what you will do, you will take a paper and you will solve this. First we will convert this into fraction. So it will become 2001 upon 1000. Similarly, this decimal fraction also we have to convert it into fraction. So it will be 3 upon 1000, because you can see here there are 3 decimal places. So 1000. And then we have learned in division that whenever division is given, first we'll write this fraction and this fraction is divided, here division, and then in the next step we have to write 3 upon 1000 in reciprocal form. So 3 upon 1000 will become 1000 upon 3. And now this 1000 will be cut. So you will get here 2001 upon 3. And then on reducing this to fraction, you will get 667. So the right answer is A option. Next step, another fill in the blanks. 52.7 divided by dash is equal to 0.527. So you are going to see here decimal point was here. Now it has come here. So how many places it has come to the left side? It has shifted to the left by 2 places. So we have learned whenever it shifts to the left side, that means there is division. So division sign is given. So we will have to just find out the number. So here, as it has gone to the left side by 2 places, so it will be divided by 100. So you will select the right option here. So that will be selected here. Here A option will be selected. Similarly, one more question. If 25 into 32 is equal to 800, then 2.5 into 0.32 is equal to dash. Options are 0.800 and another one is 8.00. So here you can see 25 into 32 is 800. So here one decimal place is there and here you can see 2 decimal places. So if you combine, you will get 3 decimal places. So that means here 800 we will see, because here point will move to this side by how many places? Because here there are, this is 1, here 2 are there. So totally 3 places. So answer will be 0.800. So this is the correct answer. Next is pictorial representation of 3 into 2 upon 3. So you have to select the right picture which which is showing this multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So first we will see which fraction is 2 upon 3 here, which picture is showing 2 upon 3. You can see here, this is 1 upon 3, this one is 2 upon 3, and this one full, whole, 1. So here we'll take, this will be 3 upon 3, but then this is again, this all are different. So we'll take this one, 2 upon 3. You can see all are showing 2 upon 3. And then 3 times, 3 into. So we'll take this option. This is the correct answer. So B option we will select, because this is 2 upon 3. This one also 2 upon 3. This one also 2 upon 3. And it is written, how many it is drawn 3 times. So this is the correct answer. Next is answer the following. That means solve the following. You have to solve this question. What is the product of 5 upon 129 and its reciprocal? So reciprocal means this number which is in denominator, it will be in numerator's place, and this will come to the denominator's place. So you will get 129 upon 5. And when you find out the product means multiply. So any number when you multiply by its reciprocal, the answer is 1. So here we will get the answer 1. Next is 5 divided by 5 upon 2 is equal to. This is next question. Answer the following. So when there is division, we have learned that you have to write this one in reciprocal form. So you will be writing 5 into 2 upon 5. 5 will be cut. So you will get the answer 2. So answer is B option. Next, some word problems. Manish worked for half an hour. Yash worked for 1 upon 4 of an hour. For how much time did both work together? So these are the options. 1 hour, 3 upon 4 hour, 5 upon 4 hours, 3 upon 2 hours. So you will select the right option here. Half an hour means 1 upon 2 plus here 1 upon 4. So you will add this totally. You have to find out how much time did both work together. So on addition you will get 3 upon 4. So answer is B option. So one more word problem. The side of a square is half centimeter. The perimeter of the square is, you have to find out from this option. Options are 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. So as we know, the perimeter of square is, a square has all the sides equal. So 4 sides, so 4 into S. And each side is how much? It is half. So 4 into half. So when you reduce 4 and 2, you will get 2. So answer is B option. Now there will be some questions box type, or you will be given blank. You have to fill in the blanks. This is one example. Maggie reads 3/5 of 75 pages of her lesson. How many more pages she read to complete the lesson? So how many more pages she need to read to complete the lesson? And she has completed 3/5 of 75 pages. So the number of pages is equal to 75, total number of pages in the book. So this way the statements also will be given. You have to just fill in the blank. You have to understand the question, and accordingly you will fill looking into the option. Maggie reads 3 upon 5 of dash. So total number of pages it's given here 75. So here options also will be there. You have to just select the right option. So here we will write, we'll select 75. You need not have to write, you have to just select the option. Then next step, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 75. So we are going to reduce this 75 and 5. When you reduce, you will get 15, and 15 into 3 is 45. So you will choose this option, option number A, that is 45 pages. Then next step, Maggie has to read 75 minus, because total number of pages are 75. So she has completed 45 pages. She has completed reading 45 pages. So how many more pages she has to read? So it will be 75 minus this 45. This option you will select. So 75 minus 45 will be this 30 pages. So you will write down the final answer, 30 pages. That means she has to read, she is needed to read 30 more pages to complete the whole lesson. So this way you will be given some box type of questions. You may get box also, or you may get fill-ups also there. So children, practice based on the type of questions. You practice all the lessons, and next time we will revise another lesson, that is third lesson, that is data handling based on statistics. Thank you.